Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, Philip Griffith here again with PSG Photo Solutions, and this is Haleh Shoa
Yeah,
from Los Angeles. And
that's
what's the
right.
name of your company?
Picturely.
Picturely.
Picture Life Curated.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Picture Life Curated. That's great. And what's something that you've done with a client using their photos this past year?
Well, we just celebrated one of my client's daughter's Bat Mitzvahs.
Okay.
So we made a little legacy video from when she was born until almost a week before her Bat Mitzvah. And we included her life photos, their travels, and their videos. And it was a complete surprise to the family as to which clips we used.
Oh, okay.
And of course, we collaborated with the parents to make sure that all the photos and the video clips that we used were apropos for their family and their friends. And it was a really collaborative project, and it was stellar. And the family was so happy about how everything turned out. And yeah, I mean that's the very latest, which was a couple of weeks ago. But we also do legacy films using our clients' collection that we preserve, and we interview them, and we cut a film out of their life
Oh,
as
nice.
to what they want to pass on to their children and to future generations.
Oh, that's perfect because
Right.
that's really what using your photos to tell your story so that future generations will know you is all about.
That's right. That's
So,
right.
great.
And of course, photo albums and personal websites are a huge.
So you do websites. Well,
We do personal websites as well.
in terms of putting their family photos and things like
Yeah.
that. Okay.
So we have a lot of clients who are able to collect the memories from their extended families. And a lot of times the grandmother, the great grandmother, the pictures go to the eldest child. But then there's many people under that family tree who want to have access.
Right.
So what we end up doing is digitizing and renaming and redating all the files so that it's a sortable, searchable library. And we
Oh,
create a
nice.
personal website for that family. So the entire family is able to download and enjoy those memories.
Great. Perfect. Well, great. I look forward to seeing you and talking to more colleagues next week.
Thank you.